Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There is a small garden in our house, in our school. It is in front of the office room. A gardener looks after it. The flower in the garden is very beautiful. We have provided essays for children and school students. Select anyone according to your needs. And a few schools have good gardens. We have a beautiful garden in front of our school. It is small but very attractive. Our school parents take care of it. We also work in our school garden after school hours in Saturday. We water plants and clean the garden. We grow different kinds of flowers and fruits plants in it. Our school campus remains scented with the fragrance of the Magnolia champagne and tulip flowers. Besides the flowers plants, there are some permanent trees in it. We have planted banana, coconut, and papaya trees in it. We are proud of our school garden. There is a garden in front of our school. A road divides the garden from the gate of the office. On both sides of the road, there are mm, tall other trees. They look green and shining throughout the year. Inside the garden, there are permanent flower trees. There are many kinds of flowers, bushes, and the garden. They are planted in good order. In each season, we plant and in each season, in winter the garden loaded with the zinnias, betazelia, gia kusuma, and many other etc. We water the plants, and during the dry season we all take care of it every day. Our school has a beautiful garden. It is very into three parts. The space in front of our school buildings is for flower plants. We have variety of flowers there. The space are just behind the school buildings in our vegetable gardens. We grow a lot of vegetables there. There is a orchard behind the part of the garden. It is full of mangoes, coconut, jackfruit, and etc. We love our garden very much. We work there after a schooling. Thanks for watching.